Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk the fifth session of the chapter Quality Control in Homeopathy. Let us see the quality control of finished products. The finished homeopathic product must meet the quality standards. The finished products should also undergo all possible sorts of physical and chemical tests. Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia Laboratory suggested some preliminary standards for finished products. For example, the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia Laboratory suggested preliminary standards for mother tinctures which were approved by Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia Committee for inclusion in the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India using the parameters like specific gravity, alcohol content, assay for constituents, weight per ml, its pH value, pK value, total solids, viscosity in case of oils, ultraviolet absorbance, identification, refractive index, optical rotation, chromatography like thin layer chromatography, paper chromatography, and high performance thin layer chromatography, etc. Mother tinctures are subjected to more comprehensive analysis, both qualitative and quantitative. Additionally, there is the problem of the chemical complexity of the natural extract contained in the original mother tincture. This may be inorganic or organic with complex mixers including minerals, amino acids, protein, steroids, vitamin, organometallic compounds, alkaloids, etc. Quality control of homeopathic potencies is difficult task. For extremely high dilution of homeopathic potencies, which do not contain any molecules of the drug, it is almost impossible to apply analytical tests by conventional methods in the laboratory. All the existing tests are ineffective for testing high dilutions. However, modern analytical techniques are adapted for standardization of homeopathic potencies as per Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia Laboratory, like spectroscopic analysis like infrared spectroscopy, ultraviolet and visible spectroscopy, Raman spectroscopy, atomic absorption spectroscopy, nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, inductive coupled plasma atomic emission spectroscopy, scanning electron microscopy, X-ray diffraction, fluorescence analysis of crude drugs, etc. Chromatography like thin layer chromatography, high performance thin layer chromatography, paper chromatography, gas liquid chromatography, and high pressure performance liquid chromatography, etc. Now, let us see different methods of analysis and its purpose. Infrared spectroscopy is used for quantitative analysis of organic and inorganic compounds. Ultraviolet visible spectrometry is used for quantitative analysis, N methods in chemical analysis schemes. Raman spectroscopy is used for identifications of organic compounds and solid state symmetry of molecular groups. Atomic absorption spectrometer is used for quantitative analysis of heavy metals contents. X-ray diffraction is used for identifications of inorganic crystalline substances, polymers. Column chromatography is used for identify the pesticidal contamination. Gas chromatography is used for quantitative analysis of volatile organics. Thin layer chromatography is used for fingerprinting pattern of herbal drugs, identify aflatoxin, volatile oil entity. Culture test is used for microorganisms. X-ray crystallography is used for quantitative analysis of trace elements. These are the certain criteria in a quality control for triturations and biochemists. They are: ash value should not more than 1%, binder not more than 3%, lubricant not more than 3%, insoluble matters not more than 5%, and the disintegration of or dissolution time should be 5 minutes. There are certain criteria for testing globules, like pharmaceutical grade cane sugar could be used. The size of the globule should be uniform. Make sure the absence of foreign metals. Ash values, hardness, porosity, and the solubility should be in prescribed standards. There are some prescribed standards in case of scheduled FF ophthalmic preparations. It should be sterile, it should be isotonic, and it should be neutral or acidity within the limit. Name and the quantity of preservatives should be indicated in the label. Also mentioned, it should be used within 1 month after opening. Also write warning as per scheduled FF in the label. In the case of hair oil, there are some testing criteria. Test for vegetable oil, cheese oil, test for mineral oil, test for acidic value, test for saponification value, test for iodine value, test for ingredients by TLC, and test for stability should be conducted to ensure the quality of hair oils. In the case of ointments, there is also have some testing criteria. Test for its homogeneity, test for consistency, and test for ingredients by TLC should be conducted. Alcohol content and ash value are ensured according to the prescribed standards. Now, let us see about the packaging and labeling of homeopathic medicine. According to Rule 106A, Part 9A, no homeopathic medicine shall be imported unless it is packed and labeled properly. The label should be either printed or written in indelible ink on the label of the container and on the outer covering in which the container is packed. The word homeopathic medicine legibly written on the label. The details like name of the medicine, its potency, name and address of the manufacturer or seller. Alcohol percentage in volume for packings bigger than 30 ml should be written. Batch number and the manufacturing license number, etc. are included in the label. That's all about the quality control of homeopathic medicine. I hope this video is useful for you to an easy understanding of the topic. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button to receive all my future updates. Let me conclude. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like,
Comments
share,
and
subscribe.